Now, for the past 6 hours, I've been struggling with duplicate audio, right? In my games and on my streaming PC. Well, on my gaming PC, and it was pissing me off. And I tried everything, reinstalling drivers, doing all that, reinstalling audio drivers, uninstalling audio drivers, you name it, I tried it. And would you freaking believe what I did? I scrolled down, and because I have a dual system setup connected via an audio capture card, I decided to scroll down, go to here, go to properties, go to where it was said listen. This was checked. This little fucker, right here, right fucking here was checked. I unchecked that, and the echoing stopped. 6 hours of troubleshooting. 6 hours of fucking troubleshooting. Gone just by the click or the untick of a button. Fuck! Just that little button right there. Right there. So if you ever have that problem where you've got duplicate audio and you're running a dual system setup through a capture card, make sure you haven't got that selected.